from the team rather, that's redefining the Filipino dining experience across the country. Representing Foodie Global Concepts, home to iconic brands like Mesa, and here to share more about their culinary journey and commitment to innovation. So please welcome Foodie Global Concepts and Mesa Philippines CEO, Mr. Eric Thomas D. Thank you, Eric.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello everyone, good morning pala.
Morning!
Good morning everyone. So for familiar faces, hello, kamusta? For people that don't know me, my name is Eric D. I'm the CEO of Foodie Global Concepts and Mesa Philippines. Well, story time muna. So Mesa started back in 2009. For those of you that don't know, this restaurant actually started off as an ihaw on your table restaurant. And look at us today, now in 2025, we're 80 stores strong, and our goal to hit 100 stores, hashtag road to 100, by hopefully end of this year. And we're looking forward to that. Now the question is, why are we here, right? We're here because we're, first of all, grateful for Team Pepsi. Thank you very much for being here, and also thank you guys for being here. We're here because we wanted to share with you the official launch of an exclusive partnership between Pepsi and Mesa Philippines. We have an exclusive partner with Pepsi to serve all Pepsi drinks in Mesa stores, all 80 Mesa stores, and as we hit the 100 stores. And why Pepsi? Because I think we share the same goals. We want to conquer the Philippines. We're very aggressive. And I'd like to thank you guys for the trust and the support. Now, tanong ni Ding Dong Dantes, may sasarap pa ba? Ang sagot ko sa kanya, yes. Mas may sasarap pa with Pepsi. Thank you.